628, Atlanta approach, recycle transponder, squawk 2161.
2161, JetBlue 628, and we have got information, Golf.
628, thanks for Golf, runway 27 left.
Expecting 27 left, JetBlue 628. Alright, 10,000.
Delta 2279, Atlanta departure to contact, climb maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000.
And the JetBlue 628, set to maintain 5,000.
Just to maintain 5,000, JetBlue 628, thank you.
JetBlue 628, flying 340, vectors final.
Right, 8340 vectors for final, JetBlue 628. Right, 340, and we'll take open descent. Anticipation if we're going to get cuts to the final where it'll start. Taking speed back to, we'll put it to 220. Speed brakes coming up. Lieutenants, please consider for landing.
Heavy Atlanta approach, runway 27 left.
27 left, Delta 1746.
JetBlue 628, set to maintain 3,000.
Consider maintain 3,000, JetBlue 628. Open descent. Right. VATSIM speed check.
Central Aircraft, Atlanta permission, hotel and uniform, now current, altimeter 29907.
2997.
Delta 2011, contact Atlanta Center 132.97, we'll see ya.
Atlanta Center 132.907. Have a good one. Delta 2011.
Plus 2 speed check.
Southwest 526, set to maintain 12,000.
12,000.
195.
JetBlue 628, turn left heading 300, join the 27 left localizer.
Left heading 300, joining the ILS 27 left localizer, JetBlue 628. 300. Right, landing systems on. Approach, Alpha 1 and 2 on.
Delta 1726, heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Once we're established, we'll take it to Clouds Green, 3 down. Right, landing checklist. Having cruise advised. Auto throttle will remain on speed. Auto brake, medium.
JetBlue 628, you are 6 miles from Depot. Maintain 3,000, still established on localizer. Cleared ILS runway 27 left.
6 miles from Depot, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. JetBlue 628 is clear for the ILS 27 left. Right, we're cleared.
Delta 9945, ground maintain high power
Clear,
line on the
Depot.
15,000.
Delta 9945, Atlanta, your current request standby. Delta 584, climb maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000, Delta 584.
Right.
JetBlue 628 at Depot, the tower is 119.1.
At Depot, switching to tower 19.1. Thank you for your service, JetBlue 628.
Delta 1726 heavy, the center maintain 3,000.
Right, established.
Center maintain 3,000, Delta 1726
Legs,
heavy.
speed brake armed.
Delta 584, contact Atlanta Center 132.97.
Center 12297, seated 584.
And at Depot, we'll switch to tower.
Delta 503, KT approach, requesting climb out.
Delta 503, Atlanta departure to contact, say altitude.
Delta 503, 7,000 feet.
Check.
503, climb maintain 14,000.
Climb and maintain 14,000, Delta 503.
That was 526, reduce speed to 210.
Ecam memo. Landing.
And Delta 9945, I have clearance advisor to copy.
Ready to know.
Round 45, go to the Atlanta airport via radar vector.
Switching to tower. Fly slope, G-star. Tower, good afternoon, Delta. JetBlue 628 with you. Established for ILS 27 left.
This is 628 Atlanta Tower, wind 310 at 6, runway 27 left for climb.
Hard ground, runway 27 left, JetBlue 628, and we'll try to vacate by November 4.
This is 628, you can vacate wherever you want, there's no traffic behind you.
Copy, 628 is cleared land, runway 27 left. Right, breaking out. Landing no blue. We'll take manual. Manual. Runway sight. Check.
Over tower, Delta 13-1, the issue is my controls came back after 60 seconds, I'm sorry.
Oh, see
That's
some lightning.
1381, thanks for letting me know, I'm going. Endeavour 1208, RNAV to MPAS, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to MPAS is clear for takeoff on Endeavour 1208.
Stable. 2 red, 2 white. Check. Check.
Minimum.
Continue. Spoilers. Reverse green, decel. Oh, we got manual braking. We'll take November 2. JetBlue 628, vacating November 2.
This is 628, please keep your transponder on. Cross runway 27 right at Tango, going Lima to the ramp.
Thumbs up. Very retracted. Maybe you start lead on. Cabin crew, prepare for gate arrival. Gate Tango 17. An AP is available.
27 right via Lima Charlie, Aloha 621.
Aloha 621, are you RNAV capable?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, I saw you filed clamps with the line to make sure.
Whoops, yeah, I guess I selected the wrong profile.
So you're San Lima, correct?
That's correct. Atlanta Tower, Delta
Or looks like
1726.
you're at Mike 20, but that's fine. RNAV to football, right, 27 right, and Mike 20, clear for takeoff.
Throw a block there.
Delta 1034, RNAV to football, right, 27 right, at Mike 20, clear for takeoff.
AP lead on.